Okay, here's a look at the emini S&P for Thursday, November the 18th, 2010. When we left the market yesterday, when the video was made, we had mentioned that was an area from approximately 83 to 85 that we felt was still a resistance area. And as you can see in the overnight session right here, the market went well above it. By the way, these are the market profiles. This is today's profile. This, of course, is what occurred overnight. And this profile is what happened yesterday on Wednesday. So once the market had pierced that resistance area and had spent some good time above it, it really gave the market an opportunity, sort of the green light, to go ahead and rally. And so it did have a nice move higher. Um, and however, we are somewhat suspect of this move. It looks like it still has some legs in it, although it also has a potential to top out here or just slightly above where the market closed. So our next resistance is around 1201, and then after that, uh, uh, probably up there as high as 1208. However, we also think that around the 1193 is a good area to monitor for support. Take a look here at our um, these are the profiles of the regular trading session hours only, and we also use them in our analysis of the market to try and get a better handle on what we think is really going on. So you can see here on our trades today, we had obviously more of the up arrows. We had several of them here, and we had a couple of short arrows too. You can see one up here, and then there was another one right here. Um, the short trades were not taken. You can see the entry here, and the market had quickly dropped. I think it was 1 3/4 points. This entry here, I think it dropped just 3 ticks and then came up, bounced a little bit before it had that test down here to these other areas, and you can see that we had a really nice long entry late in the day. The dashed blue areas that shows in the software in real time are areas that we want to be buyers at. So you see we had two of them here. When they're that close together, we just merge them together. So we had a nice long fill in here in order to participate on that nice up move for the rest of the day. So as it turned out, we only had two trades today. The first trade was the very first one right in here. Got long right in here, and it had a nice run up. Actually held it all the way through here and got out of that trade in this area when the other one was triggered short. So that trade really worked quite nicely. It moved 4 1/4 in our direction, only 1 tick offside, and then a 3 point gain on the final partial. Even though these other two trades that I mentioned here were okay, actually this one here would have been a break even. This short trade here, we didn't take it. This short trade here, it did move up, or did move down, I should say. Short trade, almost 2 points in our favor. And this first trade here actually moved a little over 2 points in our favor. This long trade here was nice. It moved, what was it? I think it moved about 4.5 in our favor. So that was quite nice. So we actually took, this was the first trade over here, and then this is really the second trade here. So we only took two trades today. Both of them worked out really quite nicely. So we're looking around the 93, 94 area of support. 1201 is the next area of resistance. We are somewhat skeptical though on this up move, and we'll just have to see if the market can manage to get some follow through higher. It still looks like it has enough momentum to push it higher, although I think this up move could be somewhat suspect in the longer term, and we'll see what the market does if it is able to get back and test the recent highs. So that's a look at the market for today. Any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Always enjoy hearing your questions and comments. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.